thing that really intrigued me about what GLS Companies has to offer is that it's a facility where there's everything inside the four walls of the company. What I enjoyed most about visiting and touring and spending time with Gary Garner, the owner of the company, was that if there was an idea that I had or something that I wanted to be able to take to marketplace, it could be produced here. Our marketplace here in the Minneapolis area include a lot of Fortune 500 corporations, very large companies. When the recession happened, the marketing organizations were one of the very first part of a company that was reduced. And now what we have is we have smaller marketing organizations that have a greater need to get communication out there, but with less resources. The marketing strategies really have gone from what I'll call one to many, to one to a few, to really one-to-one marketing strategies. And that is the central driver to how our company is transforming and shifting. Originally, the conversation was you could take your short run off of your sheet fed and you could move it on to the HP Indigo 10,000 or the 7500. You can more effectively produce product using those presses because you don't have all the make-readies and all of that. I actually think that strategy is not as strong as what we're trying to do. And really what we're trying to do is to help the marketers get more personal with their customers. And you can't do that off of a sheet fed or a web press. And relate that to a project that we just finished with 2.2 million pieces that came off of our HP 10,000, where every piece was uniquely defined and designed for the individual or the receiver getting that information. The quality of the HP Indigo 10,000 has really not just met our expectations, but exceeded our expectations. So the HP presses for us have been instrumental in helping us to follow along with our customers as they're transforming from this one-to-many marketing strategies to really the one-to-few to one-to-one. The B2 format has been a pretty important change for us in the digital world. We do a large amount of direct mail, and the products that we're producing are expanding in size and complexity, which the B2 size sheet is allowing us to be able to produce. So we've been real pleased with how marketers that we work with and agencies that we work with have been expanding their ideas to really utilize the full size of the sheet, not just make it a capacity play or an efficiency play, but a real true marketing play. I think HP has been one of those fantastic partners in a lot of different ways. Not only is the technology second to none, but more importantly, they have partnered with us all along the way as we've evaluated how we can become more relevant for our customers. We're in the middle of transforming our business. We're trying to get ahead of what our customers are doing and helping to shape strategy and content, and then be able to deliver the output to be able to meet that need. Last month was our largest digital production in the history of the company. We're growing at a really rapid rate right now in the digital area. And so as that continues to grow and evolve, we do expect to add and expand that capability. But we're going to be right there with HP asking those questions and inviting them to be a part of the discussion and the dialogue as we continue to grow as a company.